So this morning things were going a little bit sideways for me. I was frustrated about a variety of things and had a lot of things to get done. So I won't go into all the specifics, but I was frustrated, off my game, things weren't going well. Then I decided to get a few things done in spite of that. One was working on a contest I'm preparing for. Another was getting a little peaceful workout done. And just those two things almost completely reset my day. I felt completely different afterwards than I did going into it. This is one of the most valuable things. There's tons of things about how to fix a bad day or turn around a bad day, or get out of a pit, however you when you're feeling down. And there's probably value in a lot of it, but the thing that has been the most useful, the most consistently for me, is to knock something out, particularly exercise or some work that I'm kind of avoiding or not 100% on getting done right now. Just moving right into that, taking steps forward on it, getting something done, particularly getting a workout done. That helps. It helps me mentally, it helps me physically, and it really turns around the day. It can give me a ton of energy at times, but also just gives me that sense of calm and confidence that, okay, even things weren't going well and I still got something done that I wasn't particularly looking forward to or that I might normally avoid. It's a powerful thing to do. It changes my state almost every time, and a lot of times I come out of it feeling like instead of a terrible day, it's a great day. It almost 180 turns the thing around entirely. So something to play with, something to practice. And when you're dealing with fat loss or learning anything else, there's always going to be more challenges that come up because you're trying to do something different. That makes everything more challenging just by the nature of it. You might find it very difficult. You might find it just mildly difficult, but it does make things more challenging. So when you do have an off day, if you can get something done that you've been avoiding, it can turn that off day around and you can get back to the diet, the exercise program, changing your brain for fat loss, or whatever else it is for you to stay focused and keep taking those next steps, making things a little bit more like the way you'd like them to be. I've been Langley. I hope you find this useful. I hope it helps you. Thanks for spending some time with me. We'll talk again soon.